Are you looking for the best laundry sorters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best laundry sorters that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Storage Maniac Laundry Sorter. This laundry sorter comes along with 3 pieces of removable laundry bags. The sturdy steel horizontal bars also offer additional support to the construction. Therefore, the sorter lasts for years. Moreover, the lift handles of the bags make portability easier for users. The crossbar at the bottom of this sorter does not let the bags from hanging. The powder-coated finish of the frame also prolongs the lifespan of this sorter. Furthermore, each of these laundry bags can hold up to 25 lbs of garments. The bags come with the construction of high-quality, breathable, and wear and tear-resistant polyester canvas fabric. At number 4. Honey-Can-Do Triple Laundry Sorter. The triple bag laundry sorter also comes with the construction of the tubular steel frame. This laundry separator also comes with a contemporary yet functional design. Therefore, you can individually keep your laundry garments in an organized way. Moreover, the steel frame of this sorter comes with rust and corrosion-resistant coating to offer durability. The removable mesh laundry baskets also come with inbuilt handles. Therefore, you can carry laundry to your laundry room without dropping a single piece. Furthermore, with the help of easy rolling caster wheels, you can effortlessly move this sorter from one room to another. The mesh exterior and interior of the bags prevent the building up of odor. At number 3. Ocean Star Bamboo Laundry Sorter. The bamboo-derived X-frame of this laundry sorter makes it extremely durable as well as eco-friendly. This frame also comes with 3 pieces of laundry bags. Moreover, the polyester fabric construction makes these bags extremely durable and wear and tear resistant. The bamboo frame looks pretty classy and makes your laundry room look quite organized. The removable bags also help you to carry your laundry without dropping a single piece. Furthermore, the netted bottom of the sorter does not let the bags touch the floor. This lightweight laundry sorter makes both storage and transportability hassle-free for users. Each of these bags has a huge load-bearing capacity. At number 2. Romon 4-Bag Laundry Sorter. The TPR-made durable caster wheels make this laundry sorter offer easy maneuverability. The storage organizer also makes assembly and disassembly easier for everyone. Moreover, the sorter has a durable cast iron frame with metal lacquer finish. Therefore, the frame offers resistance against rust and corrosion. This durable sorter comes along with 4 pieces of laundry baskets with lifting handles. The baskets also can individually hold up to 25 lbs of weight. Furthermore, the waterproof lining of these baskets does not spoil your clothes and leaves no stinky odor. The locking brakes on 2 caster wheels keep the sorter stable while collecting laundries. At number 1. Seville Classics Laundry Hamper Sorter. The sturdy tubular framing increases the durability and safety of this laundry sorter. Made of pure steel, this frame also offers resistance against rust and corrosion. Moreover, the screw-together design makes both the assembly and disassembly easier for all. The crossbars and base entirely increase the stability of this sorter. The frame also comes along with 2 pieces of high-quality laundry bags. Furthermore, each of these bags has the construction of heavy-duty cotton polyester blended canvas fabric. You can simply use your washing machine to keep these bags clean. These canvas-derived thick bags can hold up to 2 cubic feet of laundries. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.